The purpose of this video tutorial is to show how to amend the Shadowbox.js application to include additional actions besides those the library comes with by default. Shadowbox.js is a powerful library tool that allows you to easily create a sleek viewer for your media files. It is by far the easiest to implement in any of your web applications, ensuring support for cross-browser compatibility and multi-languages. One can use it to display a single piece of content or a gallery-like sequence of various contents. Here is, for instance, a web page where I have applied both. The first button is used to display a piece of text in a pop-up window, while the second button is used to display an image gallery. Please refer to the official Shadowbox.js website for more information. The website address is www.shadowbox-js.com and use the download section to download the current version of Shadowbox. Now I will show you the steps I use to add my own button in the Shadowbox library. I have created a sample web page to include a piece of text and a link to an image gallery. When I click this link, I want to browse through a couple of photos I've stored in a folder using Shadowbox library as a way of displaying the folder content. Here are the items I need to make this possible. One folder that includes the current version of Shadowbox as downloaded from the official website. One folder with a set of pictures I want to display as a gallery. And one index.php file. Let's have a look at the index.php file. The head section includes the JS and CSS files, followed by the shadowbox.init method call. Here you can pass a few options to shadowbox.init method. Once again, please refer to the official website for more information about usage. Within the next block, I use a few PHP statements to dynamically create the links to each image stored in the album folder. Let's have a preview of index.php file as it is now. As you can see, we have a link for each image stored in the album folder. When I click on it, it opens up its corresponding image. Now, I need to tell each link to open up its content with Shadowbox. For that, I'm going to use the following HTML markup, and I will add this markup here for the main link and here for each image. I'll remove this part. Let's save and preview again the index.php file. When I click on this link, I can smoothly browse through all images within the album folder. For that, I can either use the left and right keys or the navigation controls that Shadowbox comes with. On the left bottom corner, I have the gallery counter that tells me the current position and the number of images included in the album. Now, I want to add next to these navigation controls a download button. This will come in handy when your website visitors decide to download a picture they very much like. Not everyone is familiar with the Save Image As option from the contextual menu. The first file to be amended is shadowbox.js. Look up the first occurrence of t.markup string, and here just between the last a closing tag and div closing tag, you need to add your own link. Take the link from here and place it in here. I have assigned the ID sb-nav-download for this one. Now I will update the shadowbox.css file to include the recently added ID. This is the style I define for the new ID, and I will add it at the end of shadowbox.css file. As you can see, the style makes use of download.png file as background. This file has been added in the Shadowbox folder here. Let's have a look again at the image gallery. As you can see, there is now a green download icon next to the navigation controls. At this moment, however, it does nothing because I don't have yet a method defined for this action. To solve that, I need to add my own download function right in shadowbox.js script, somewhere here at the beginning of the file, just before the close method. It's gonna take a while to find the close method. Yeah, it's right here. This is the line, the method I need to add before the close method. I will add my own download method. Here I make use of download.php file, and that will do the trick of downloading a file. Download.php file will be stored in the root folder, and it has just a few lines. Here it is. Now let's go back to the image gallery and try to download one of the images using the newly created download button. Let's make sure the shadowbox.js is safe. Now let's go back to the gallery, refresh, and click on download button. Yes, the image has been downloaded right here.